Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will share some simple tips to improve your Mehendi finishing and make your designs look more clean, neat, and professional. So make sure to watch till the end because these small tips can make a big difference in your Mehendi designs. So let's start with the first tip, cone cut. If your cone cut is too big, the lines will look thick and messy, and if it is too small, the Mehendi may not flow smoothly. So always try to keep a medium fine cut for better control and neat lines. Second tip, hand pressure. Try to keep the same pressure while applying Mehendi. If the pressure changes again and again, the lines can look uneven. Smooth and even lines always make the design look more professional. Now let's talk about spacing. Even if your design is beautiful, bad spacing can make it look messy. Keep small gaps between flowers, leaves, and other elements so the design looks clean and elegant. Another important tip is outlining. First complete the clean outlines, then start filling or shading. A sharp outline makes the whole design stand out more beautifully. Now shading. Soft shading can make your Mehendi look more detailed and classy. Try to keep one side darker and the other side lighter for a smooth effect. And don't forget tiny details. Small dots and little elements make the design look complete, but try to keep the dots neat and equal in size. One more important tip, don't rush. Take your time. While applying Mehendi, neatness is more important than speed. Slow work with patience always gives better finishing. And finally, practice. Practice is the key to perfect Mehendi. Practice lines, curves, petals, and different patterns daily to improve your control and finishing. I hope these tips were helpful for you. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. For more Mehendi videos and helpful tips, see you in the next video. Bye guys!